Oh, here we go. Let's make a bench in 60 seconds. Start back on some MDF, glue it, get some brad nails in it. You're just making a box. It's simple. We used half-inch MDF, a lot of clamps, and some 1x stock, poplar in our case. Made some feet pretty easily there, legs I should say. Clamp everything together. Glues and nail is all that's holding it together, and a bunch of clamps for now. Route out some mortises for the hinges. We use torsion hinges. Lots of sanding. And then we put these little legs on with the 2x2s in there for extra strength. Primed it in white, and then painted it in flat black with some clear poly over it in flat as well. Then we did some 2-inch thick foam, did some upholstery with some cool blue fabric that we liked, stapled it on. Pretty simple. Put some leveling feet on there, screw them in however you want, and you're pretty much done at this point. What do you think? That's how it looks opened, and this is how it looks closed. Pretty cool stuff. Didn't take much in the way of materials or time. Try it.